So hi guys, we're here right now at Robinson's Galleria Cebu because we're gonna check out this digital playground called Playlab. Because it's been a while since I came here, so I'm gonna check out what's new here, what we can do, and you know, if it's worth it to hit the prices. The kids are gonna be enjoying this this attraction, and look at the kids; they're practicing their tala moves already.
You can invite.
So now we're gonna go inside.
Can
Especially
invite
moms with kids.
moms with kids.
Yes, so let's go inside and check out what's in Playlab. So that's Playlab. We're gonna go inside Playlab. Woo! Oh, that's where you leave your shoes. And those are the cute cashier. Oh. Oh. So, before ta musud, mangutan natin na nagpila ang sa Playlab. Para sila akong mangutan nun, nagpila man ang Playlab kung gano'n yung musud.
200 per head, weekdays, weekends, 200.
Pila ang weekends?
200.
So, kinahanglan yun na ikuyog ang bata, dili.
No need ang 6 above third and 5 below is
So, kinahanglan duhagin mo kung 5 below. So, when you come here, you have to wear socks.
Leave our shoes.
So, if you don't have socks, they sell socks at 50 pesos a piece. So, we're gonna go inside already. Ooh.
Stop lang mo. I had a sorry na. Dali sa sulod. Ano picture nila itong picture mo? Sir, pwede kami tanan. Sige. Pwede. Ano mismo tanan? Pako ba? Ha? Dilmar.
Pagpako-pako. Pako-pako, sige, lihok. Pagpako-pako ko na, sige. Alright.
Sumusunod siya.
Oh.
Sunod siya. Okay. Babies lang, babies lang.
Welcome to Playlab.
Oh, let's go. Let's go. Oh, so this is wow. Whoa. So I just spun around and there. It's like you have sensors to make work of art. Oh.
Van Gogh.
Yes.
Ang labas.
Oh, yes. It's a very nice section. Oh, so look at the kids enjoying it, making their own work of art.
Dance now. Dance now.
Oh.
Yes, you dance. Dance now. Lolita,
Ayun, tala ka itong usa. Pag-paint.
That is the
Body paint.
body paint. Struck painting. Dali lang.
Dali mo, atras mo.
Tapos dali, lapit. Okay. See? This one is gravity ball. Gravity ball.
Catch the ball.
Gravity ball is
Oh, catch the ball, yes, yeah.
Yes, siya TikToker.
Sayaw ko no, yes, yes. Give me sayaw na, wait. Wait. There. The little kids is safe here. Safe here. They're gonna make their own shapes here.
Mine is hard. Bye-bye, everyone.
Then labayi ang trash siya. Labayi ang trash. Throw the trash. Ang trash, labayig bulang trash. There. There. Bang. Bang. So this is the yes. Oh, bang. It's okay, it's okay. So yes, there's so many things that you can do here inside. And this is what you call the sandbox. Look at the sandbox. So they basically create mountains, they create lakes. Come on, create a lake. Bitaw, bitaw oh. Magay mo. Okay mo. Wow.
Usually, kids would build castles to protect, building castles. After that, you build the castle, then you have to protect your castle from the drones and the dragons. So by killing the dragon, you just wipe it, right?
How do you kill the dragon? Kill the dragon there.
Well, we're gonna make a sandbox here. There. And this is the look at them. Let it swing. Whoa. It's Emma Bashi. Then I'm gonna be. Oh, that there. I'm a tiger. Come on, dali iya siya. Manayaw tag, tala na tiger ka. Oh, go, go. So yeah, a tiger. This dragon. Oh, the zodiac. Oh, that's lot. So the ox. It's the net. Wow. Come here. Net play. There. Dennis. And now we got so many fun attractions here. There's Carlo here. Oh. What is Carlos doing here? And then I'm gonna draw an animal now. Oh.
Let's have a slide. Join the slides.
Let's draw an animal ba? Mag-draw tag animal ato pa himong buhi. Kina. So the live forest. This is the live forest where you can draw, you can color different kinds of animals and make it alive. Choose an animal, paint, then ihatag, then it will go alive. Then we're gonna go to the slide. Oh, look at the kid. Go, go, go! Alright. So nice look here. So yes. So we're here. Gonna rest a bit here in our little hill. So yes, that's the live forest over there. So they're gonna make live animals. Hi! Oh, smile, go slide. So there. The live forest. So that's one of my favorites here. So in a bit, we're gonna explore more. But yes, those are basically the 15 attractions here at Playlab. And for sure, kids will enjoy it. And adults too. It's now time to have fun. We're in the live forest, so I'm gonna get a giraffe. So I'm gonna make it like a unique giraffe. Oh, like a unique giraffe.
Ako bitong gitsuway text ko mo. Papasa. Oh, sorry, video na ka.
Kira na. And I'm gonna make it a Wala na, okay na.
Okay ra?
Oh, wala na. Oh, weirdo na. Oh, I have a weird color giraffe. So that they'll know that's my giraffe. It's a Carlo giraffe. Carlo. I'm gonna put a tattoo. Carlo. There's Carlo. And then I'm gonna put more colors. Green eye. And then a blue neck. Let's just make it weird. The blue face. So there's a Carlo giraffe. Carlo. There's Carlo. And then what else are the colors? So we have red. Well, let's make it as weird as possible. As long as there's Carlo there. Carlo. And then I'm gonna make this alive. So that's my weird giraffe now. So let's make it alive. Will the Carlo giraffe live? Let's go. Press the blue button. There, scan my weird giraffe. And there. It's gonna live now. So let's look for Carlo giraffe. Oh, there's Carlo giraffe. Oh, it's now alive. There's Carlo the giraffe. Oh, the weirdest looking giraffe named Carlo. There. It's alive. See? Amazing, right? Amazing. Did you see the Carlo giraffe over there? Kids, don't do that. Don't stand at the slide. Ayaw, tanaw na. Nabunal ang anak. Grabe mong anak, nabunal ang lubot.
Ayaw no standing.
Ayaw, musunod di mga bata. Oh, ano eh. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's net. X butterfly, M butterfly is gonna make a butterfly.
Yes.
So that's the design of a butterfly.
I'll make it faster for you guys.
Nice.
Butterfly.
Well,
Mas
it's
siya
gonna
ka ng
fly.
butterfly.
Look at him, the butterfly.
Mas siya nilupad na. Asa siya ligaw.
Where is Xavier the butterfly?
Ay, ito na mo. X-A-X.
Okay, wow, asa na to Xavier the butterfly? But yeah, make my butterfly too.
Fly.
Oh, there.
Wala man.
I know it's somewhere out there. Xavier the butterfly, and mine, I'm gonna make my own butterfly. So, it's Carlo the butterfly. Finally, the blue ones. And I'm gonna make it fly. I don't know where's Carlo the butterfly, but it's gonna be somewhere out there. So there's the butterfly garden. And Carlo the butterfly is out there flying. So actually you can do events here and parties here at Playlab, and they partner with Jerry's Grill, for example, and you can have like a catered party with chicken, pancit, rice, lumpia, and also with Pancake House. And there's an ongoing promo right now. If you have Playlab tickets, you get free 2 pieces of pancakes. But yes, you can also, have a party here and have it catered with Pancake House with, pancakes, chicken, tacos. It's amazing.
Hello, pancake.
So guys, there you go. It was an awesome trip to the Playlab, and if you're a kid, I know you're gonna be enjoying it. You're gonna enjoy it. They even enjoy it there. So yes, Playlab opens at mall hours 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. I think they'll accept the last kid around 8 p.m. so that you can make the most out of it. So yes, check it out. They're the basement one of Robinson's Galleria, Cebu.